10 best thoughts for morning assembly. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. A little progress each day adds up to a big result. Second, success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. Third, always do your best. What you plant now will harvest later. Today, a reader, tomorrow, a leader. Fourth, when you are kind to others, it not only changes you, it changes the world. Fifth, life gives us new lessons each day, not for learning, but to improve our understanding. Sixth, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Seventh, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Eighth, the best way to predict future is to create it. Ninth, success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. 10th, action is the fundamental key to success. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.